Looking for the best places to live in Texas? Well, today we are going to discover one of my favorite cities. And even though we highlight so many northern Dallas-Fort Worth cities, now we're going to highlight one of my favorites in the South. Introducing Mansfield, Texas. Hello, my name is Dana Pollard, and I'm a real estate agent in Texas, and I travel all over Texas trying to discover the best places for you to live. So if you're thinking about moving to Texas, fill out my dream home questionnaire in the link below. And if you're looking at selling a home in Texas, fill my sell my home questionnaire in the link below, because you'll get exclusive benefits of working with me. Mansfield, it's located south of Arlington and has a population of about 74,000 people. Mansfield has a mix of old as well as new developments. Mansfield, it's been voted one of the best places to live in America by Money Magazine. It's about 25 minutes from Fort Worth and about 35 minutes to the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport. The town of Mansfield was named after the two founding fathers, Ralph Mann and Julian Field, which makes Mansfield, and they built a grist mill here. We really loved looking at the museum in downtown Mansfield, and Ralph Mann's original home that he had built, it is open to the public to view. The historic district of Mansfield is charming, and it's just a 10-minute walk to the downtown area of Mansfield. So Mansfield is known as the pickle capital of Texas, so we're at a candy store here in Mansfield, and when they have a pickle cotton candy. And I'm gonna test taste it for you. Now listen, they're going to have a pickle parade this weekend. Oh, and the reason is because best made pickles are here in Mansfield. So let's have a taste of this. I don't want a large taste. So imagine, it's like a sweet dill pickle. Sweet dill. Interesting. Not unbearable. One thing I love about Mansfield is there's a variety of housing available. You're gonna feel like you're in the country, but you're still pretty close to the city. So whether you work in Dallas or in Fort Worth, it's going to be a pretty easy commute. And you can find some new home developments as well as older ranches. It's just I would say this is a quaint city. There's shopping readily available if you live in Mansfield, and one of the places locals like to hang out is called the Backyard. It's a great place to eat, hang out, and it's on Main Street as well. It's designed just to be like your own backyard. Such a cute little area. New shopping can be found along Highway 287. Mansfield has some good local businesses, shopping, dining areas, and it has Dallas Stars Ice Rink and Fieldhouse USA. What that is it's a large training facility for basketball and volleyball. The ice rink, it's always buzzing. So Mansfield hockey is a big draw at the rink. There are many options for sports for kids if your kids are into sports in Mansfield. And talking about sports and kids, let's talk about the schools. Another really good thing about Mansfield is their school district, their public school district. It is highly ranked, and many families like to go there because of that. Mansfield schools have great academic and fine arts programs. Enrollment is about 35 students, and the schools get a lot of participation from the parents. Lots of extracurricular activities. Definitely 2 thumbs up for the school system. Also nearby is the 7,400 acre Joe Pool Lake. So Texas is known for having, quite a few lakes, and Joe Pool is a great one. Here you can fish, boat, and camp. The other thing that's great, I know I mentioned this before, but the location of Mansfield is great because of the other entertainment. And as far as other entertainment in Mansfield, it's a short drive to go to Six Flags, the water park. You have the Dallas Cowboys AT&T Stadium, Globe Life is not far away. So it's kind of back further in the country, but not too far from tons of entertainment. So let's check out a few neighborhoods. This first one, M3 Ranch, it's a massive master plan community, and it's just 7 minutes from downtown. In M3 Ranch, there's going to be 1,600 homes with many builders here, like this model home Perry. I'm here in their kitchen, and the price point is from about $600,000 on up to $800,000. This large community is going to have both single family, multifamily, and commercial space available. The median home price in Mansfield is $444,000, with pricing starting at about $230,000 on up to $3 million. Now there's still ranches out here, there are new home neighborhoods, and there's actually availability here. There are many other older neighborhoods as well, like Lakes of Creekwood with mature trees and great designs. Nearby is Colby Crossing, which is within walking distance of Mansfield High and about 3 miles west of Joe Pool Lake. A new phase of Colby Crossing is in development. And if you're looking for new, Bowie Ranch is still building and has availability. It's a family-friendly community that offers large home sites and spacious floor plans. With convenient access to Highway I-20 and 360, Bowie Ranch has easy access to both Dallas and the Fort Worth areas. And there are a few gated communities in Mansfield as well. So I really like Mansfield. It's a great family-friendly community. It's a place you can make friends. You have some little areas in the downtown to hang out, and it's not too far to other kinds of entertainment. And the commute to Dallas or Fort Worth is probably about 30-35 minutes, so it's not too bad of a commute as well. So if you're thinking about moving to Texas and need help narrowing down where to live or help finding a home here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, as well as Austin, Houston, and San Antonio, fill out my Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below and get connected with a most amazing buyer specialist who specializes in helping you find your community, neighborhood, and home. Also, if you're thinking about selling your home in Texas, fill out my Sell My Home questionnaire, and I would be so happy to schedule a consultation with you. If you have any questions or comments, email me or put in the comments something below, and we'll talk soon.